How to ventilate my motorcycle garage properly. Are you wondering how to keep your motorcycle garage well ventilated? Proper ventilation is essential for maintaining air quality and protecting both your health and your equipment. Let's break down how to achieve this effectively. First, it is important to understand the basic requirements for ventilation. Motorcycle garages need to remove exhaust gases, fuel vapors, and humidity. A good rule of thumb is to have 0.75 cubic feet per minute of exhaust airflow for every square foot of floor space. For instance, if your garage is for 100 square feet, you will need an exhaust system that provides 300 cubic feet per minute of airflow. Make sure to prioritize systems that actively replace stale air with fresh air to avoid negative pressure. Next, consider natural ventilation. Opening windows, doors, or vents can create cross-ventilation. Aim for openings that are at least 4% of the garage's floor area. For a 400 square foot garage, that means you need at least 16 square feet of openings. Positioning vents or windows on opposite walls will maximize airflow. However, if fumes accumulate, this method alone may not be enough, especially in enclosed spaces. Mechanical ventilation is another option. Installing exhaust fans that meet your garage's cubic feet per minute needs is crucial. Place them high on walls or ceilings to capture rising warm air and fumes. Pair these with intake vents or fans to maintain balanced airflow. If your garage has limited access to the outside, ducted systems can direct exhaust outdoors. Some fans come with humidity sensors or timers for automated control, which can be very handy. If you plan to run engines indoors, use flexible hoses to vent exhaust directly outside. Keep these hoses under 10 feet long for efficiency. For activities like dyno testing or extended idling, consider installing dedicated exhaust capture systems to prevent carbon monoxide buildup. To manage air quality, adding portable air purifiers with high-efficiency particulate air filters and activated carbon filters can help trap particulates and odors. Monitoring carbon monoxide levels with detectors is also wise. Place these near workbenches or seating areas. Using dehumidifiers can reduce moisture, which helps prevent rust on your motorcycles and tools. If you are planning to paint or use chemicals, increase ventilation to 1 cubic foot per minute per square foot and wear respirators. Sealing floors and walls can minimize fume absorption. In cold climates, insulating garages can help reduce condensation while still allowing airflow through mechanical systems. Many in the motorcycle community use a combination of approaches. For example, some riders open garage doors during work, supplemented by wall-mounted exhaust fans. Others use portable clip-on fans for quick ventilation during repairs. It is also a good idea to avoid sharing heating or cooling systems with living spaces to prevent fume migration. Proper ventilation is not just about comfort. It protects against headaches, dizziness, and long-term health risks from fumes. It also preserves your motorcycle parts by reducing humidity-related corrosion. For content creators, a well-ventilated garage ensures clearer air for filming and a safer environment for collaborative projects. To implement these strategies, start by calculating your cubic feet per minute needs by multiplying your garage square footage by 0.75. Install exhaust fans that have 10 to 20% higher cubic feet per minute ratings than your calculations. Add fresh air intakes positioned near the floor opposite exhaust outlets. Test airflow using smoke pencils or incense sticks to visualize air movement. Lastly, maintain your systems by cleaning filters monthly and inspecting ducts annually. By tailoring your ventilation to your garage's size and usage patterns, you will create a safer space for motorcycle maintenance and community gatherings.